This is the premise of this video. This is why I use these strategies actively right now in these stores, and I can endlessly print money with these Google strategies. And these are strategies that I've put on YouTube. I've put for people for free. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. As always, Professor X bringing you everything you need to know about dropshipping, lifestyle, e-commerce. Today, we're going to be talking about how to get rich, how to print endless money. That is the goal. The goal is to build a foundation for yourself that you can just wake up, decide on a new business. Everybody makes it sound so easy, but this is some real stuff that we're going to break down. All you need is a blueprint. All you need is a guideline to get rich. First things first, we're going to jump into my screen and pick the winner of the gift card giveaway for my previous masterclass on Google Ads. Whoever it comes out on, just message me on Twitter to claim your giveaway prize, okay? So the winner is Pedro. Congrats, Pedro. That's all it takes, guys. Subscribe. We're going to be giving away some random gift cards. So with that being said, let's jump back into the point of the video. I've been dropshipping for a very long time. So one store, we have over $6 million in sales. We have another store that did almost $2 million. We have another store that did about 1.3. And we have other stores that have done 800,000. And we'll get deeper into it as we keep going. And I'll show you guys why I know that you can print endless money too, based on what I'm about to talk about in this video. And you can do it over and over and over again as long as you commit to the principles, as long as you commit to learning the principles of doing this. So what is the first things that you have to understand as an individual? Focus is what is going to get you there. So right now, if you're not focused, first of all, you're going to leave this video. The attention spans of everybody is going down tremendously. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube has crushed this for people. You have to learn and rewire your brain to focusing on the things that are actually important, not the 10, 15-minute sound bites that are entertaining. That is going to destroy your brain's concept of what is valuable information. Cut out your distractions. When I was broke, I understood that I don't want to be broke anymore. So what I have to do, I have to cut out all distractions. I deleted my personal Instagram accounts. I deleted my personal Twitter accounts. I deleted everything off my phone that was not going to produce me income. If you are actually committed to it, these extremes are going to elevate you. They're going to push you to that pinnacle of either failure or success. Being pushed to the point of failure is actually what leads you to success. People who fail one time and quit and then get distracted by some other thing, those are the people that actually fail. So also cut out ungrateful people. People who are ungrateful for your time, people who are ungrateful of your conscious effort to be good to them. Cut out negative energy. People who are also negative around you. People who keep saying you can do it. People who keep saying that it's not going to work out. We individually have this spiritual state where we have to lock in the thing that our spirit is calling us to do, that God is calling us to do. So cut out the negative people that do not add this value. If you can find people that elevate your spirit, that is the type of person that you want in your life. Cut out the BS that is holding you back. Everything that is constituted as bullshit is your excuse as to why you're not rich already. That is your excuse. Once you cut that out, you have nobody to blame but yourself. And accountability is the way you get rich. Cut out your excuses. You can't depend on your eyes when your imagination is out of focus. All the things that I want you to cut out for yourself are things that are distracting your imagination, are distracting your spiritual imagination. When you go on Twitter, when you go on Instagram and you see these people living lavish, flying first class to Dubai, driving Lamborghinis, or imagine for yourself, if your ears are constantly hearing people say that you're never going to achieve anything, then your imagination is going to falter. It's going to destroy that part of your imagination. You're going to start thinking to yourself, maybe it's true. Maybe I can't do it. Maybe it's not possible. Maybe dropshipping is a scam. E-commerce is a scam. Maybe business is a scam. Protect your eyes. Protect your ears from all the things that want to convince you out of it. Next step. Now that you have focus, now that you've decided actively you're going to focus, you deleted your Instagram, you cut off the ungrateful people, you cut off the girls that don't give a fuck about you, the guys that don't care about you, you cut these people off because they were draining everything, your money, your time, your energy. Now is the time to plan. Pick a business. I understand this is a dropshipping channel. If dropshipping is what you want to do, perfect. You want to do a TikTok page, an affiliate page, you want to become a personal brand, pick one of these things, but you have to stick to it. You have, whatever you're going to pick, stick to that one thing for 3 to 6 months at least. When I say 3 to 6 months, I mean actively. When I say I'm going to commit to something 3 to 6 months, I mean like I'm going to go to the gym 5 times a week for 6 months. Not randomly go on for 5 days a week and then go off for a whole week. Can't get results that way. It's impossible. The results won't compound and you'll say it's not working. You'll be like, oh my God, I can't figure it out. It's not going to work out for me. I'm just going to quit. Business is bigger than Shopify, bigger than Google ads, bigger than Facebook ads. It's a lifestyle. You have to think about your business every single day. You have to think think about your growth every single day. The spirit inside of you, the God willingness inside of you has to die for that every single day. It's bigger than a profit and loss sheet. Live and breathe business. It has to be the only thing that you care about. And I don't mean you don't care about your family and you don't care about your job, and you have to give all those things your 100% to. In your free time, your focus. Can't be on your Netflix show, your video games. I'm not trying to suck the joy out of life. I'm saying that you can't just focus on leveling up in the video game and not leveling up in real life. Where energy goes, the money will flow. If you could grab the energy and move the energy towards a certain direction, push and move the energy towards your business. Dedicate hours of your day to your business. Actually orchestrate it in a journal of some sort. Actually orchestrate times to go work out, times to go meditate, time to work on your business. I understand you have life, you have school, you have kids. I get that. That's why I'm telling you, you have to plan. You have to allocate this time. I'm not talking about giving up the rest of your life for your business. That is not what I'm talking about. And the longer you procrastinate to do this stuff, the longer it's going to take to reach your destination. Imagine a road trip that you're going down to Florida from New York or California. You have to map out this road plan. The longer time you take bathroom breaks, the longer time you take eating breaks, the longer time it takes to get to your destination. That is simply what I'm referring to. If you want to get there fast, plan out fast. 4 hours a day, committed. If you want to get there slow, which is perfectly fine, at a reasonable pace, an hour or two a day. And this is going to excel you way further than somebody that does not plan. Think about your friend right now. He's trying to get somewhere, but he has absolutely no plan, but he just keeps saying that he's going to get rich. He's not going to go anywhere. There's no way he can go anywhere. He hasn't even mapped out the roadmap yet. If you map out the roadmap, you're already 90% for all the people that don't plan out anything, which is most people. The anxiety that you have, that you're getting from not doing what you have to do, is way worse than actually doing what you have to do. That anxious feeling that you're feeling right now is only coming from you not checking off things off your checklist, off your plan. That is the only reason why you have anxiety. Oh, my business, oh, my life, oh, my bills. If you have bills, that is all the motivation you need. It's not the opposite way around. Oh, I have bills, I can't start now. No, cut out everything else that isn't a necessity and then save to build. The next step is to execute. You made your plan. Now wake up every day, hit the gym. An hour or two in the trenches working. On your Shopify store, you're building it. On the ads platform, on YouTube, finding a strategy that's going to work. This has to be applied. It can't just be theory anymore. Absorb as much info as you can without losing your mind. You have to absorb and then execute. Study successful habits. Once you rewire your brain, mold yourself to success, is it going to take 3 months, 6 months, a year? It doesn't matter how long. Personal growth every day. See how much changes for you. Commit 3 to 6 months like this and you will see how much is going to change for you. The backbone of the US is built on businesses. Without businesses, there's no jobs. Without businesses, there's no GDP, there's no growth, there's no taxes being paid because people won't make income. The system is you either have a job and you're a part of the system, or you're the backbone of the system and you have a business. When you go to the gym and you get a six-pack, that does not happen in a day, 2 days, 2 months, but it's always more rewarding. And the good things in life have to be rewards. They can't just be handed out, or else there would be no point. Then it wouldn't be considered a reward. So what's usually hard usually takes time. What was done by others before you, like myself, I showed you my results, can be mastered by you. Creating value is the only way to make profit. Is the only way to make money. You have to create value in the marketplace. You have to be a reason why people watch videos. You have to be a reason why people click on your links. You have to be a reason why people buy from your website. If you're gonna dropship, you want a unique product. You want a unique product pages, branded product pages. Don't just half-ass them. Eliminate anything that shows a lack of care on your product page. You do not want customers thinking that you didn't care about your website. You just threw it up, because then they're gonna think that you're just a scam and they're gonna go buy from somebody else. And you did all this work already just to get the customer to the door for them to buy from somebody else. Why would you want that? You should do everything you do with purpose. Be professional. I understand a lot of young kids want to dropship, which is amazing, but be professional. You are competing with thousands of stores. In 2018, there were 820,000 Shopify stores built. In 2021, there were 2 million. In 4 years, it more than doubled. By next year, it's going to be 3 million Shopify stores, 4 million. It's going to keep getting bigger. So it's time to get your piece of the pie. You don't need the whole pie. You just need a piece. And that piece could be hundreds of thousands of dollars. You have to be a strong person to persevere over 2 million Shopify stores. It's time for you to become the strongest version of yourself. Commit right now. What are the odds I actually make money? Without a plan, without a vessel, without a of business? Zero. Once you make your first Shopify store, you'll see how easy it is to make a store. Mitigate your expenses. Don't care how old you are, because what's more important, becoming rich in 5 years or working like a slave for 50 years? Commit to it. Find people that can help you on your journey. Find ways to mitigate your expenses with your spouse. This way you can commit to your side hustle, to your business, until it's your main hustle. And that is the way you're going to get it done. I promise. People want actionable tasks. What can I do right now to make my life, my business better? I have a student here absolutely killing it. If you guys want to see more about this student, I will record an interview. He did a 14K Black Friday dropshipping day with our program, Quantum Dropshipping, which more information can be found in the bio. It's sold out right now. I might reopen it in 2023. If you want to find out more information about this business model, book a free call. It's all in the bio. Book a free call, talk to me, talk to my team. But here it is, first Black Friday, Cyber Monday, working with you. We've done 14K. I was so happy to hear that, because he was a student who worked hard. He worked his ass off, and now it's all paying off for him. And that's all that matters. He executed. He would message me all the time saying he was reading the books that I was recommending. Whatever it took, find success, and now he is crushing. So if you are a store yourself that does 30, 40K a month, you spend a couple $1,000s, or if you're an e-commerce brand, let me know. Reach out to me, book a Calendly call as well. We're seeing 3 to 5x ROAS on a daily basis, which has been very profitable for us on Google as the low ticket product. And high ticket, the ROAS are like 7 to 20x. It's not even comparable, because the product prices could get astronomically high. If you are an e-commerce brand owner, if you are a beginner in dropshipping, if you are just looking to get started in anything, or if you are interested in high ticket dropship, selling expensive items like I mentioned in my other videos, or if you have a brand already doing 20, 30K a month, but you want to scale, reach out to me. We will help you scale. That is the point of this video. It is to print endless cash endlessly. How can I do this? How can I learn to become a fucking machine, an unstoppable wrecking ball? Just leave a like, leave a comment on what else you want to see, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications. I'm gonna be making content around what you want to see. I understand there's a lot of comments about what people want to see specifically. I'm trying to make content that revolves all of this into one. Leave a comment on what you want to see specifically, so I can make a video about that. You get all your questions answered. You can leave more questions in the comments. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Twitter. That's where I usually post most of my stuff. I just have fun with this stuff, but you can reach out to me. And until next time, the professor is out of here. Be safe, be healthy, be blessed. Happy holidays, everybody. Let's keep pushing. 2023 is our year.